Have you noticed that some speakers start to have noise or loose bass after a while? Often the problem isn't the driver itself, but the cabinet inaccurate size, large gaps, poor sealing. Over time, it starts to leak air and the sound changes. Today, let's simply look at how a good cabinet is made. Traditional methods often use table saws, manual hole cutting, and hand finishing. Efficiency is average, and sizes can vary depending on the worker's skill that day. With CNC machines, cutting, routing the inner cavity, and making holes can be done in one go, so the dimensions stay more consistent. After the design is loaded into the computer, the machine follows the optimized path and completes cutting, cavity routing, driver holes, and joints in one process. Less moving around and less manual adjustment means cleaner, more uniform panels. Boards are checked for moisture content first and held firmly during machining to reduce shifting. Driver holes, ports, and joints are made according to the drawing, aiming to match the design as closely as possible. Large gaps, rough edges, or uneven inner surfaces often cause noise or loose bass. With proper tools and process, the edges come out cleaner and the panels fit more tightly. Consistent internal volume and better sealing help keep the sound more stable. When these basics are done well, the speaker tends to perform more consistently over time. Simply put, a well-made cabinet gives better protection to the sound. More accurate size, tighter joints, and better sealing. These details really matter. When you choose a speaker, do you pay attention to the cabinet's build quality?